Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you all? I hope you're all too good, and first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am thanking for you for like my video, previous videos and subscribe my channel. I am providing very interesting and beautiful videos related to paper quilling and paper craft. There are different types of paper crafts are used in my videos. So I hope you like my all the interesting and beautiful videos and watching start to end. So keep watch my videos and contact with me. In these videos I am providing very beautiful and pretty paper quilling and paper craft, and I hope you like all the paper craft. So you all know different peoples have different choice and different colors. Some people like dark colors and light colors, different shades of papers, flowers, different tree, self design and more features are used in this video. I hope after watching my video you getting more and useful information about paper quilling. So if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel in this video. It is better to create your own at the best in paper craft, where you can create a beautifully paper craft. In this video we have different ideas for your trendy and stylish paper flowers. I hope you all like the designs, different read and yours in this. Keep watching my all the videos and keep subscribe my channel. Let's see my next video and getting more and useful information about paper craft. I hope you like my all the videos. So take care and Allah Hafiz. Please watch my videos till end and subscribe my channel.